Hello everyone, Matthew Simmons here. I want to bring you another original design. This is the Oliver twist. Let's go ahead and get started. This is my left side again. It's at the belt line as usual. Let's come in. Let's just put a fold in there, whichever one you want to do. I'm going to come over here to the cross. We're going to come up and over. So go across, up and over, down and around, and then down and under like that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come around here. I'm going to do a wreath. We're going to come around like so. Come down, and then I'm going to open up this one, leave it like that. I'm going to do a wreath through this. I'm going to slide it through here, and then I'm going to put it underneath here. I'm going to fold it in half. And then once it's under there, I'm going to kind of make it a wreath. It should already kind of have that wreath twist in it coming from under here, but I'm just going to solidify it. Then I'm going to come underneath here like this. Then I'm going to fold it in half and come across like this. And then come under. And then do another wreath and twist around like that. And then we're going to come up and over like that. And there you have the Oliver twist. So you got all these twists and turns in this one. I chose to use a stripe tie to exaggerate the twists and turns. You don't have to. So there you have it. There's Oliver twist. So again, follow me on Instagram at SimmonsEssentials and go check out Stylish Leadership. We got some great stuff over there. You can kind of pull this out, do some post-production work on that. So again, all your own side, my friends, you're a fearful one for me. We'll see you in the next video.